Okay, it's been a while since I did a Corvette video. I took it in, had the plenum taken off, and put a new EGR valve in there. Shiny. Okay, so that's connected. Alright, the solenoid, it works. I unplugged it, checked the power. When the key on, it's got power. With the key off, it don't have power. I took the solenoid off, took it in the house, blew through it with no power. You blow through it, and with power on my power supply in there, and I had a hose on it, I would blow through it and it wouldn't blow through with power. So, okay, I think that's working. So new EGR, that works. The plug's okay, I guess. But I still get the code 32. And there is no vacuum leaks. On this side over here, there's supposed to be a EGR temperature switch, which I think is down there. It's that thing right there. I think. I'm not sure. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, comment, because I need to know where the EGR switch is. So what I think's happening is when I'm driving down the road, the EGR is closed because the power's on, and when it's supposed to get up to a certain driving range, that switch, if that's what it is down there, turns the power to that off, and then the vacuum starts to suck through and go to the EGR, which opens it up, and that's how the system works, I think. But I gotta know from somebody out there if that part down in there, that thing right there with the wires going, the plug going to it, if that's the EGR switch, heat temperature switch, or whatever they call it. Because on this one there is no pipe. I think that was 86 to 90 that had the pipe going across the valve cover with that covering over it to keep things from getting burnt. That exhaust tube pipe that went from the manifold to the exhaust manifold to the intake. And then there was a heat sensor switch on that. But I think on this, it's right here. Now I'm not sure. So if anybody out there knows about these 85s, because it don't have the heat pipe on the side over there, with that whatever covering it is. But anyway, that's the problem now. New EGR, the solenoid works with power. Without power it don't work. But when I drive down the road, the check engine light comes on and it's a code 32. And that's about it. So if anybody knows what the heck's going on with this thing, drop a comment down as Junkyard Corvette. It's almost ready to be smogged, but that's the only thing that's keeping me from smogging it. I mean, I could take it in to try and get it smogged and hope the check engine light don't come on, but it probably would on the rollers because they put it under load. So that's the latest. Well, it's been a long time since I made a video, but there it is. EGR fixed, solenoid works, but check engine light still comes on. So I think there's something like a temperature switch or something like that that isn't, I don't know where it is. And I got the book, and it don't even show where it is. So okay, more to come later.